What's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. There's that 2019 F150, the one that was having the VCT issue. I'm sorry I did not get a chance to film putting everything in. It was just a super chaotic day between Ray and I and the other technician. There was just a bunch of stuff going on. Not a good day, but we went through it. Everything's fine now, but I just want to go over this with you guys one more time. It is complete. It is running. And I've driven it 3.1 miles and it's been sitting here idling for 10 or 15 minutes now. And the idle is constant. There's no more shaking. And I actually have it pulled up on the computer over there, the VCT actuators, solenoids, that we were looking at on the computer last time. We're gonna go back over there and take a look at it now. And I also have the old ones on the table over there, and I'll show you what those look like. See, we got it pulled up on the computer now. Everything's just a perfect line. This is what it's supposed to look like. Perfect. See, intake desired is asking for 30, and we're sitting at 29.30. And it has not moved from that spot. That is working like it's supposed to. We'll come over here and pop the hood. There's all the spark plug tube gaskets. There's the old valve cover gasket. Let's get up underneath here and pop the hood. You guys hear that? Knock, 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 knock. That is the diesel type knock noise at idle. Gotta love it. Everything's all put back together. His catch can's reinstalled. That's a new solenoid. That's a new solenoid. I gotta clean that off. There's a new solenoid, and then there's the new solenoid, which is those that I have laid out on the table. But you guys hear that? It's that diesel type knock noise at idle. I'll go over that TSB with you guys so you know what I'm talking about, because a lot of people comment, man, that thing's knocking whenever they hear one of these 18 through 20s. They all do it. Here's the solenoids. This is the oil control solenoid. This is for the exhaust. That's the one that's right there, sitting in between the two camshafts. That's controlling the exhaust side. This one is the intake side. It sends an electrical charge and it has that little pin that pushes out like that. These get stuck. They don't want to work right. It's whatever. And make sure when you do these little black bushings right here, make sure you take those out. Sometimes they will stay down inside the bolt hole. Get you a little pick and pull it out. Otherwise, you're gonna have another problem. This one does have a little bit of crud on it. You can kind of see it on there. It's not bad. This one has a little bit of crud on it as well. It's not super bad. I've seen them where they have just metal all over them. All right, see here, I got it pulled up. It's the 2019 F150 with the 5.0. We come over here to TSBs, noise, start, run, move, running, standing, and then you'll see tick, tap, and or typewriter noise, high-pitched squeal noise from engine compartment after engine shut off. Where did it go? Engine knock noise at idle. 18 through 20, Mustang, F150 5.0. Whoa, I just clicked on it. It's touchscreen. Right here. TSB 20-2023, I think it was. Yeah, 20-2023. Equipped with a 5.0, may exhibit a light to moderate knocking noise at idle, 600 to 700 RPMs. That's what we're idling at. This is sometimes described as a quiet diesel type knock sound. Noise is usually more prominent on the passenger side of the vehicle toward the rear of the engine. Passenger side, rear of the engine. Engine comes up to operating temperature. The noise level increases slightly. This noise is not detrimental to engine function. It has no short or long-term effects of the durability. It's an operating characteristic of the 5.0, and no repairs should be attempted. Refer to service information for vehicles that meet the following: Mustang or F-150 5.0 lighter or moderate. That's it. Not warrantable. See, it's not really doing it anymore. So that is normal if you hear that diesel type knock noise, 18 through 20. I haven't heard 21s or anything do it. I know my 23 doesn't do it. But she's good now. She's running. Hasn't shut off yet. It's been sitting here idling for I don't know how long, and I've driven it for 3 miles. I'll probably go drive it again just to make sure. That way I'm going in traffic and call the customer and he can come pick his truck up. So that's what was wrong with it. Just needed the VCT solenoids and it's good to go. It's a common issue on the 18 through 20s. The 11 through 15, 16, 17, they do it too, just not as common as the 18 through 20. So I hope you guys enjoy it. I love you guys, and I'll see you on the next one.